In this video, we're going to show you how to view your Apple ID password on your iPhone and what steps to take if you've forgotten it. I hope this guide helps you. If it does, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. So, are you struggling to remember your Apple ID password or need to check it on your iPhone? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Just follow these simple steps. First, if you've forgotten your Apple ID password, you can easily recover it through your iPhone's settings. Start by tapping on the Settings app on your home screen. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Passwords section. Tap on it, and if you've saved your Apple ID password there, you will be able to view it. If your password isn't saved in the Passwords section, you will need to use Safari for recovery. Open Safari and visit iforgot.apple.com. This site is designed specifically for Apple ID recovery. Click on Reset Password and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Apple ID password. Remember, these are the only two ways to retrieve or reset your Apple ID password directly from your iPhone. Following these steps should help you regain access to your account quickly and easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to understand. If you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and visit my website, MediaMagnetGuide.com, for more useful tutorials and resources on various topics.